We're diving deep into one of the most fascinating systems of the human body, the gut, often hailed as the second brain. The gastrointestinal tract, or GI tract, is a complex network responsible for digesting food, absorbing nutrients, and eliminating waste. At the core of this system lies the gut microbiota, a diverse community of microorganisms essential for our health and well-being. What's truly remarkable is the bidirectional communication between our gut and brain, known as the gut-brain axis. This connection influences not only digestion but also our mood, cognition, and even behavior. Our dietary choices play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy gut. Diets rich in fiber, fermented foods, and probiotics help nourish and support a balanced gut microbiome. On the flip side, stress can significantly impact gut health. Chronic stress disrupts gut function and contributes to conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Managing stress is essential for maintaining a healthy gut. Unfortunately, imbalances in gut bacteria can lead to various disorders, including acid reflux, gastritis, and inflammatory bowel diseases, IBD, affecting millions worldwide. To promote gut health, focus on a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Stay hydrated, incorporate probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and kefir, and consume prebiotics found in foods like garlic, onions, and bananas. Exciting advancements in microbiome research are paving the way for personalized nutrition and innovative therapies for gut-related disorders. Scientists are exploring how specific strains of probiotics and microbiome-targeted treatments could revolutionize understanding, and nurturing your gut is fundamental to overall health and well-being. Subscribe to our channel for more insights into optimizing your health through the power of gut health.